Hi, I've got my X12 open. I just thought I'd give this a shot. So I'm going to draw something that's relatively similar to your posted image. So we got a big rectangle. Whoa, that's I need to fix my profile plan. That looks to be about maybe 50 feet with a big rectangle. I'm just going to skip the porch because you figured that out. So we got big rectangle. You got the porch figured out. So I'm not, apparently what's giving you a problem is this add-on garage. So I'm just going to sketch that in and skip the other details. And because I have to just guess at the dimensions. Let's set this, that looks like in your image, to be about 5 feet. Yeah. And garages are commonly about 22 feet deep. So we'll set that 22 feet. And the width, I got that where I want it. So I'm going to click on this wall. This ought to be, man, let's call it 22 feet. Okay, so you figured out if you want gables here, you just open those two walls and go to the roof tab and set them to full gables. I would assume you want a gable here, so I'm going to tell that to be a gable on the roof tab. And I've got my pitches set by default to 512, but any pitch ought to work all right. So let's, I'm going to go, no, I'm not. I'm going to, yeah, do an overview. And I go Shift F6. Yeah, there we go. So let's just build roofs with this. See what we get. We're not going to get what you want, but it's probably what you're seeing, or something like that. So this is okay, and that's kind of okay. This is what's not okay. So how can we fix that? Okay. I think what I'm going to do is, this is called a temporary wall. I'm going to take this wall and extend it. I haven't already figured this out, so I may trial and error fail a few times. And I want to break this big, long temporary wall off. So I'm going to use the wall break tool and break this section off and tell this section that I want a gable here and a gable here. Yeah, I told it to have a gable here, and it gave it a shot, but you have to be very specific with your instructions. Where's the open icon? There it is. We'll go to the roof tab, tell it to be a gable. We're clarifying our orders to the software. Now, this area can be handled in different ways. Let's just do it this way and see what we get, just making that one change. And I don't want to go auto rebuild roofs. I like to see what that does, if anything. It's like it didn't do anything. Let's go to auto rebuild roofs. Okay, that didn't do anything. All right, another way to handle this would be to take this wall and temporarily, I'm going to make it no room definition. Okay, that didn't do squat. Okay. See, I want to click here and rotate this around. See, there's no room in here now. I thought maybe that would make a difference. I think I'm going to put this back. Oh, I thought it was, all right. I thought that order was complied with, but it was not. Okay. I'm just going to go over here and say no roof. Okay, it's a little more workable, except this gable is just totally stupid. Now, the easy thing for me as a long-time chief architect user, I would just go over here and turn auto rebuild roofs off, and it got it close, but it's not close enough. So I would just take this roof plane and reshape it. You can kind of watch me on the 3D screen as this develops. I mean, this is not a difficult roof. We'll take the ridge of this roof plane here, that one, and I'm going to use the join roofs tool. And now we have a decent gable there. Now we have to just, excuse me, tie in the main roof to it. I'm going to get rid of this jog there, which the auto roof generator put there. Drag that brake to the corner to simplify the line. Now I'm going to take this edge and parallel perpendicular it to that wall, and then just drag it over here and snap it into place. I think to see this develop on this screen, I need to change the camera type. Standard's not, I don't use standard when I'm figuring out roofs. And in 12, let's see, I guess it's that. No, I don't want to save an active view. I want to edit active view. Yeah, that's how they changed it. See, I don't want standard. I want vector view. And I don't need this other stuff here. Edge smoothing is okay. And I'm going to turn the color off. See, now you can clearly see nice and crisply what's done and what's not done. Okay, now over here, I'm just going to keep it simple and click on this one, this edge, and use the break line tool just outside that wall there and extend it over the, bingo. Now I have to tie this roof and this roof, not this roof and this roof to this roof. And again, it's going to be a series of breaks. I know there needs to be a break about there and one kind of in the center, and then we can set it up. Now I broke this long line into 3 lines, so now I can connect this line here with this line here. Bingo, done. I'm going to do the same thing over here with this line and connect it to that line. And we're done, buddy. I think, now maybe that's not what you wanted, but this is workable. I've done that kind of a design numerous times. You know, clients come in with goofy floor plans that are all asymmetric, and they cause asymmetric roof situations that the roof generator can't handle, but that's a workable way to handle that. See? And without a picture from you about what you do want, then this is about the best I can do. Like, okay, this wall is, well, there's no wall there because I told this to, well, maybe I didn't. I forget. Let's go over and make sure that, okay. I turned off the ceiling, and that's the reason there was no wall there. Bingo. And looks like that needs a little adjustment. Yeah, see there's a little gap here between the wall. That's what causing that anomaly there. See how that cleaned up? Okay. The only other thing left now is to pull this out of here and make this little segment an interior wall that, and you know about that. That's what I would do. And I always try to use the auto roof generator to get close. And then I step in and manually edit it to exactly what I think I want, like this in this case. And manual roof editing takes some study, lots of practice, so you can fail and succeed and fail and succeed. And then after a while, you gain judgment about an ability to think in 3D relative to your floor plan. And the floor plan generates the geometry of the 3D geometry of the roof. So the more symmetric the floor plan is, the more symmetric the roofs are. Okay? Well, I hope this helps you. Excuse me. But whether it does or not, have a great day. Thanks for watching.